If school is supposed to prepare you for success, why are so many Nigerian graduates still struggling to earn? Most people think they just need more education, but more of the wrong system won't save you. The issue is not intelligence. It's not effort. It's the gap in the system. It's the system itself. It was built for a world that no longer exists. Most schools still prioritize memorization over application. You learn theories, not how to solve real problems. You pass exams, but you're not prepared for the market. You're educated, but not economically useful. The system trains you to follow instructions, not to create value. But today rewards the builders. People who can use tech to scale. People who build systems that pay. You're trained to work, not to build. It's time to change that. The solution is a shift to skill-based learning. Focus on skills that produce results in the global economy. Think SEQL and data analysis, turning raw information into strategic leverage. These are the tools of modern business. Think AI content workflows, not just using AI, but building systems that use AI to create opportunities. Every skill should answer one question: how can this generate income? Build proof, not just grades. A portfolio of real projects is worth more than a dozen degrees. Don't just learn, deploy. The internet removed location as a barrier. You can live in Lagos and earn in dollars. This is the ultimate leverage. Remote jobs, freelancing, digital products. The world is your market if your skills are valuable. The system may not change fast, but you can. What actually matters here? What gives you the highest return? Stop staying busy and start being valuable. Build skills that pay. Build systems that work for you. If you upgrade how you learn, you upgrade your income. It's a choice you make every single day. I'm Lawrence. Visit Skilldential.com to turn your skills into income systems. Follow for more frameworks.